convert the equation x squared plus y squared minus 18x plus 18y plus 98 equals 0 from general form into standard form. So the standard form of a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. General form has those squares expanded out and like terms combined. So to go the other direction, what we have to do is first off just group together everything with x's. And I leave a little space here for my process of completing the square. Then group together everything with the y's. And move the constant to the other side of the equation. Now, the next step is to complete the square. Completing the square, what we do is we take the value b, which is the number multiplying the linear term. We take that value, divide it by 2, and square it. So I'm going to take negative 18 divided by 2, which is negative 9, and square it. So that gives me 81. And the other, the y variables, 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 squared is, again, 81. Now the thing is, I can't add 81 to the left-hand side of the equation without doing the same to the right, so I'll add 81 here and another 81, and I apologize how squeezed in that is. All right, so everything's balanced because I have added the same amount on each side. The next step in the process is to factor. Now what's really cool is the perfect square trinomials is what I have here. So these look like the form x squared plus bx plus technically b divided by 2 squared is the same thing as b squared over 4. And this just happens to factor into, because we've set it up this way, x plus b over 2 quantity squared. We don't really have to do anything to factor these things. All we have to do is just divide this constant by 2. So this will factor, the first trinomial will factor into x. Negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. So that becomes x minus 9 squared. 18 divided by 2 is 9, so this is y, sorry about that, y plus 9 quantity squared. And then we have to add these values together here, and it might be useful just to use my calculator in this case so that I don't make an arithmetic error. So negative 98 plus 81 plus another 81 gives me 64. So that adds up to 64, and that is now in standard form.